Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and today I have my Stitch Fix unboxing. I'm so excited to see what I got. And if you'd like to see, keep on watching. Okay, so let's check it out. So what did I ask for this month? I asked for boyfriend jeans and tops. Yeah, so hopefully she delivered, right? Let's see. It's a smaller box this month. So I got a small little baby burrito, but it looks promising. As always, I give you the envelope to do an easy return and a note from my stylist. Okay, so typically my stylist is Cassandra, so let's see if that's who it continues to be this month, and it is so I'm going to sum up just kind of what she had said, some fresh spring options. She said that I had mentioned boyfriend style jeans, so she was happy to find a pair of distressed ones, and there's a tie front top that she included, and she looked at my Pinterest board and there was a lot of black strappy blouses. She's able to find an affordable one to go with the denim. And yeah, so it says, I hope you love your colorful spring fix. All the best, Cassandra. Okay, so we know we got a pair of jeans and a black tank and some spring-like stuff. So let's get in. As always, I'll kind of go through each item, kind of give you my first impressions, and then I'll do a try on. Okay. Ooh, this is actually really pretty. What is it? It's long. It's, oh my gosh, gorgeous. I love this. It's a dress. How cute is this? So the print is this maxi dress. It kind of has a sweetheart neckline with these cute little flouncy, what do you call these? Shoulder sleeves. It's long. It looks like there's a lining in it, and then it's a maxi dress with a little flounce at the bottom. So that is really, really cute. I actually really like that. It does zip up the back, which makes me a little bit nervous because I have a hard time fitting things like that over my chest. It tends to work better if they're kind of have that ruching in the back, that kind of like, I don't know if it's called ruching, but you know, it's like a stretchy material. I'm looking for the price on that. So, and as always, I'll leave everything that I got down in the description box along with what I end up keeping, and you can always request from your stylist any of the stuff that you see that I try on. So if you really like this dress, you can request it from your stylist. So that's always a really good tip. So this is the 9 Britton Mallory off the shoulder ruffle dress, and that's $68. That's a really good price for that maxi dress. Okay, next up I have, this is actually really cute. I really like this little tank. How cute is that? So it just kind of has this like little triangle hole with double straps and an opening in the back, and it's kind of looks like it's not going to be super snug. It's going to be kind of loose and flowy, and that is the Lush Keera Tank Blouse, and that's $36. Okay, so next up, this is kind of what she was talking about, the tie tee. It's a collared shirt with a pocket. It's very sheer, and it has this cute little sleeve, and it ties at the front. Now, I'm not sure that I love this, but you never know what it's going to look like on, and that's what I really appreciate. That would be really cute with white denim. Okay, next up is that, oh, and that's the Vixbe Thompkins tie front top. That's for $40, and this item is going to be the Alice Blue Bushnell one pocket blouse for $38. I don't love this. I can just kind of tell, like, this is something that I could easily get, like, I hate to say, like at Marshall's for like $9.99. So I don't love the print. I love this color. This color is actually really good on me, but I'm not just like super excited about it for $38. I think it's okay. And then lastly are the cut from the cloth cake distressed boyfriend jean. So I like the distressing on them. I like the color. So yeah. We'll see how everything fits. So let's go ahead and do that try on. The first thing I have is this shirt. Okay, not gonna lie, I really thought I was gonna hate it. I don't hate it. It's actually pretty cute. So yeah, it's really comfortable and really lightweight. I like that it's kind of that 3/4 length sleeve, and I think it could be cute with a pair of denim shorts or white jeans. So we'll see. Let's see what we have next. Okay, so I'm just in my tank top. I just went to try this one on. Again, I don't love the print. I don't love the color. I feel like it's something I could get easily at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. And I went to go put it on, and it was really tight around my boobs, and I just didn't feel like fighting putting it on and putting it off. I knew I wasn't gonna like it, and I want to exchange it for a different thing, a different size. But yeah, again, it's pretty. It's just not. It's not something I would necessarily love, but yeah. So on to the next one. Okay, here's the black top. This was a beast to get on. I had the straps like all over the place, but I love it, you guys. This is so cute. This is so my style. It's like flowy, so it's not too tight. I love that. What I also love is that I have a bunch of black tank tops, but this is a little different. I love the little triangle keyhole. I love that it's extra strappy in the back. Yes, I'm wearing a tank top and a bra because when I do all these try-ons, I don't want to be switching bras and clothes. So you get what you get. But I love this. This is definitely a keeper. I love this dress. However, it really doesn't fit. It doesn't even come close to closing in the back. And that's what I have a problem with these kind of dresses just to begin with. It's really flattering. I love when it has like a short lining and it's not even pulled all the way down. I love the sleeves. Really cute. I love the detail at the bottom. It is a little bit long, but it's really cute. I love it, you guys. I don't know what to do. My thought is I could try a bigger size, but I still don't know if it's going to be an issue with the chest area because I don't know. So I'm gonna see. You can also wear this like off the shoulder, which is also really cute. I don't know. We'll see. Next one. Okay, so I have the boyfriend jeans on, and I just feel like boyfriend jeans always make me look squatty. Let me see. They fit really well. So these are them. So they're loose. I rolled them up. I can't really tell. They're really comfy though. I think the part of it is that they're long and then loose, and I just feel like, I don't know. What do you guys think? You'll have to let me know. This is a maybe. Okay, so that's the end of the try-on portion, and I have a few things to think about. I mean, they weren't, that black tank top though is mine. It's staying with me. I love it. These jeans, I think I can get on board on, but I'm still kind of just a little hesitant with them. The dress I love, but I don't know about trying another size. I feel like it's still going to be really tight in my chest, so we'll see. And yeah, I have a few things to think about, but as always, at the bottom you'll see in the description box everything that was included in this box along with the size, and then at the very bottom I put what I ended up keeping so you can know. Definitely the tank top though, that is a no-brainer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you're interested in Stitch Fix, I'll leave the link down below. If you've not yet done so, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.